Row over Kangana Ranaut's slapgate after Kangana released that video and spoke about extremism in Punjab. Now the Akali Dal has hit out at Kangana Ranaut. Harsimrat Badal says Punjabis are not separatists. Ankit is joining us with more details. Yes, Ankit.
I don't know, Swati, with which lens Harsimrat Kaur Badal is looking at this. This is a day after the Shiromani Akali Dal was essentially wiped out in Punjab. Harsimrat emerging the only winner in the Lok Sabha polls from Batinda. Her tweet on this and her takeaway is that she urges the union government to focus on farmer grievances and fulfill the promises made. No one should be allowed to label Punjabis as Atankwadi or Ugravadi and fan communal divisions. Punjabis are foremost patriots serving the nation on the borders, and as food providers, we deserve better. So she has made it about identity politics, which is, I do not think, what Kangana Ranaut intended. Additionally, it's important to mention that she has not uttered one word of condemnation on the slap itself. She does not say at any point that no one should be able to slap people, especially when you are a person who is in charge of providing security for them, for whatever their political view may be. Here is another interesting reaction that has come in. Another one that is justifying the assault on Kangana Ranaut. Bajrang Punia, of all people, says, जब महिला किसानों के लिए अनाप शनाप बोला जा रहा था, तब कहाँ थे नेतकीय पढ़ाने वाले लोग? अब उस किसान माँ की बेटी ने गाल लाल कर दिया तो शांति का पाठ पढ़ाने आ गए. सरकारी जुल्म से किसान मारे गए, उस समय यह शांति पाठ पढ़ाना था हुकूमत को. So Bajrang Punia is saying that all this should have been said earlier when the farmer protests were going on. He also appears to have no issues with the fact that Kangana Ranaut was slapped by CISF personnel in an airport during a security check. Back to you, Swati.
All right, Ankit, thank you for getting us the details. We have Pranesh and Amandeep both joining us in the broadcast. Let me go across to Pranesh. Irrespective of which political party you belong to, this incident of Kangana being slapped should have been condemned. But Harsimrat is rather focusing on other things.
I just want to add to what Ankit said. He summed up the sentiment that needs to go through across to our viewers. This is not an ordinary incident, Swati, and people should not, play it down by saying that, look, whatever happened, it is behind us and, let's now move ahead. This is a mindset problem. Look at the kind of commentary and the remarks we've seen from political leaders as also social media influencers, stand-up comics. I don't want to get into name calling, but our viewers who are watching this broadcast are well aware of the kind of people and the kind of remarks I'm talking about. Many people have gone out to justify this by actually blaming Kangana. Now, even if Kangana said what she is being accused of, it can't be a provocation or a justification for someone to break the rule of law, which in this case was in a form of a slap. This one slap gate at the Chandigarh airport actually tells you about the dirty politics which is happening around it now. The political parties have their own agenda. Elections are over, but in our country, it's never over because every 6 weeks there is a major political development. But keeping the politics apart, just if you sample the commentary on social media, it is deeply disturbing. We should not, anyone in their right mind should not be condoning this behavior, because today it is Kangana, tomorrow it could be them.
Absolutely, and it could have been far worse, Pranesh. We have Amit joining us on the broadcast as well from the parliament. Amit, इस देश ने देखा भी है इससे पहले क्या हुआ है. अगर इस तरह से लोग अपने पर्सनल इश्यूज को लाने लगे पब्लिक डोमेन में और उसके बेसिस पर बर्ताव करने लगे, तो हमने पहले भी देखा है क्या हुआ था और बहुत गलत हो भी सकता था.
जी देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि अपने आप में बहुत ही अलार्मिंग चीज है, खास करके सिक्योरिटी जो पर्सनल्स अगर इस तरह से अपनी चीजों को पर्सनल चीजों के साथ अगर जोड़ेंगे कोई इश्यूज को, तो ये मुझे लगता है ये एक फ्यूचर के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा अलार्मिंग चीज है. क्योंकि जो सिक्योरिटी में खड़े हैं, जो सुरक्षा कर्मी है, अगर वो इस तरह से मुद्दों के साथ जुड़ने लगे, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये जो घटना है, ये इससे पहले आपने देखा राजीव गांधी जब श्रीलंका गए थे तो उस वक्त वहां पे एक तमिल फौजी ने उन पर हथियार उठा लिया था, मारने की कोशिश की थी. इस तरह से हुआ. इंदिरा गांधी को हमने देखा इस तरह से इंसिडेंट, उनकी जब हत्या हुई, और ये इंसिडेंट देख रहे हैं. तो ये मुझे लगता है कि बहुत जरूरी है, ये बहुत अलार्मिंग सिचुएशन है, और इस तरह की चीजों को इस तरह से रोकना है. कैसे होना चाहिए, आपके कुछ भी विषय हो सकते हैं, कुछ भी मेरे कुछ विषय हो सकते हैं जिसको लेके मैंने कुछ बोला होगा, बट आप उस वक्त ड्यूटी पे हैं और ड्यूटी पे अगर वो इस तरह से चीजों को कोई हरकत करता है, कोई चीजों को अंजाम देता है, तो मुझे लगता है ये सभी के लिए एक सोचने का वक्त है, सोचने और समझने का वक्त है। और इसको लेकर सबको चिंता करनी चाहिए। इस पर कोई राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए। ये आज अगर कंगना के साथ हुआ है तो कल ये किसी और के साथ हो सकता है।
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं आप। और भारत में नहीं, हमने दुनिया भर में देखा है कि विचारधारा के आधार पर कई बार नेताओं पर हमले हुए हैं और वो जानलेवा भी साबित हुए हैं।